Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add real-time search box in your WordPress website. So I'm using Astra WordPress theme, and let me go in plugin sections. We need to install a new plugin. Here you can go. If I scroll down, this is the plugin that we need to install, Advanced Search WordPress plugin. Okay, then activate it. After that, scroll down. Here you can see this one, theme hung. You can go here and click on Advanced Search. Okay, now you can use this shortcode to display this search box anywhere. So basic setting, advanced setting. Now you need to select the post type. So let me select this one, post. Then scroll down and click on save changes. Okay, now let's see how we can use. Simply we need to copy this shortcode, and now let's go back, appearance, then widgets. You can install a classic widgets plugin to get this type of interface if you see a different interface here. Okay, now you can go here in active widgets, and then here you can add that shortcode and click on save button. After that you can drag this block anywhere. So I want to add it on the top of calendar. Okay, sometimes you need to save and then click on done button. Then let's go back and reload this page. Now here you can see search box is added. For example, if I type a keyword hello, okay, here you can see this one working fine.